Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to make Cortana use Google Chrome search instead of Edge and Bing. Click Start, Settings. Click Default Apps. Click Default Apps. Click Google Chrome as default browser. Close and exit settings. Second step is copy the link from description and paste it into browser search bar. Double-click the downloaded file. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Edge Deflector, OK. Type any word to search. Now Cortana default browser is changed to Google Chrome, but search is Bing. Last and final step is click three dots on the top right corner. Click More Tools, Extensions. Click Chrome Web Store. Search Cortana. Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Click to select Google Search Engine. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.